Freedom is not something you ask for, it is something you fight for. These words resonate with the spirit of a young revolutionary who gave his life for India's independence, Bhagat Singh. At just 23 years old, he shook the British Empire to its core. Today, we'll take a deeper look at his life, beliefs, and how his fearless spirit continues to inspire generations. Bhagat Singh was born on September 28, 1907, in Banga village, Lyallpur, now in Pakistan. His family had a history of fighting British oppression, and this ignited his passion for freedom from a young age. He grew up listening to stories of the freedom struggle and was deeply influenced by the sacrifices of his ancestors. Growing up in colonial Punjab, Bhagat Singh saw firsthand the brutality of British rule. He often questioned why India, with its rich heritage and culture, had to bow down to foreign oppressors. The turning point in Bhagat Singh's life was the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in 1919, where thousands of innocent Indians were killed. At just 12 years old, he visited the site and collected soil stained with the blood of martyrs, vowing to dedicate his life to India's independence. This event ignited a fire within him, a fire that would lead him to question not only British imperialism, but also the complacency of some Indian leaders. In 1924, Bhagat Singh joined the Hindustan Republican Association, where he met like-minded revolutionaries such as Chandrasekhar Azad. Together, they began their mission to shake the foundations of British imperialism. Bhagat Singh was not just a freedom fighter, he was a thinker and a visionary. He believed that independence was meaningless without social and economic equality. At just 16, he wrote articles criticizing British policies and calling for a revolution. His words began to resonate with the youth, inspiring them to join the freedom struggle. Bhagat Singh understood the power of unity and youth. In 1926, he founded the Naujawan Bharat Sabha, an organization aimed at mobilizing young Indians to fight against British oppression. He believed that real change could only come from the youth, and he dedicated himself to awakening their consciousness. In 1928, the British police brutally lathi-charged a protest against the Simon Commission, leading to the death of Lala Lajpat Rai, a prominent leader. Bhagat Singh could not let this injustice go unpunished. Along with Rajguru and others, he assassinated John Saunders, the police officer responsible for Lala Lajpat Rai's death. This daring act made Bhagat Singh a wanted man, forcing him to go underground. In 1929, Bhagat Singh and Batukwar Dutt carried out one of the most iconic acts of the freedom struggle. They threw bombs in the Central Legislative Assembly, not to harm anyone but to make a statement. As pamphlets rained down, their voices echoed, "Inquilab Zindabad," or "Long live the revolution." They willingly surrendered, using their trial as a platform to spread their revolutionary message. Bhagat Singh and Dutt made no attempt to escape. In fact, they stood in the assembly, waiting for the police to arrest them. When officers arrived, Bhagat Singh famously said, "We didn't come here to run away. We came here to be heard." Their arrest was a calculated move. Bhagat Singh wanted to use the trial as a platform to expose British atrocities and inspire the Indian people to join the fight for independence. And so, on April 8, 1929, Bhagat Singh was arrested in Delhi. The news of their arrest spread like wildfire, and Bhagat Singh became a household name overnight. Despite knowing the consequences, Bhagat Singh remained fearless. During his trial, he declared, "They may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas." Despite widespread protests, the British sentenced Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev to death. On March 23, 1931, they were executed in Lahore. Bhagat Singh was just 23 years old. Bhagat Singh's sacrifice inspired countless Indians to join the freedom struggle. He became a symbol of courage, youth, and the power of ideas.